Welcome to our channel Law, Politics and Other Things. Please subscribe and share our channel. If you like our videos, please give us your comments. In this video, we will inform you about how law works in mysterious ways. Most of us have grown up watching Sachin Tendulkar's batting. He is called God of Cricket, best batsman of his time. He is a Bharat Ratna awardee and an ex-member of Indian Parliament. But do you know at one time, Sachin himself claimed in a court of law that he is not a professional cricketer and that he was, believe it or not, a professional actor. In this video, we will tell you about this case in detail. If you like it, kindly subscribe our channel and give us your comments. This happened in 2003 when Sachin filed his income tax return showing an income of more than 18 crore. Out of this amount, almost 5 crore was received in foreign exchange for his modelling assignments, for which he claimed the benefit under Section 80 RR of Income Tax Act. Section 80 RR allows deduction up to 75% of total income in foreign exchange of an author, playwright, artist, musician, actor or sportsman, including an athlete in exercise of his profession. If you want to know more about Income Tax Act, write to us in comments below. In his return, Sachin claimed that his profession was of an actor, and as the income had been received in pursuance of his profession, he was entitled to claim the deduction. He claimed that he was not a professional cricketer and therefore the income from cricket was shown as income from other sources. The Income Tax Assessing Officer rejected this claim and held that the entire world knows that Sachin is a cricketer. The Commissioner of Appeals also upheld the orders passed by Assessing Officer. Sachin challenged these orders before the Income Tax Appellate Tribunal, and the Appellate Tribunal rejected the orders of Assessing Officer and Commissioner of Appeals and allowed the appeal filed by Sachin. The tribunal held that Sachin has shown special skills in facing lights and camera and that he brings a certain degree of imagination while acting for his modelling assignments. Being a cricketer only adds value to his brand, but he is paid money for his acting skills as other cricketers may not be able to act like him. The Appellate Tribunal finally agreed that Sachin was indeed an actor and not a professional cricketer as claimed by him in the appeal. So this is how Sachin claimed and proved that he was an actor and not a professional cricketer. If you liked our video, please subscribe to our channel and share it. Also send us your comments which will help us in improving our content. Thank you for watching Law, Politics and Other Things.